What's up, guys? Joe450 Sport. This is break number 635 out of eBay, which is a double box of 2015-16 Full Force Hockey. So here's the two boxes, again sealed, of course. So let's start with box number one. So break numéro 635 de eBay. Double boîte de 15-16 Full Force. Bonne chance tout le monde. Good luck, everyone. So full force, the config, there is 18 packs to box and 5 cards per pack. Tons of beautiful inserts, except the thermal, which I ate. Alright, let's do this. Immediate impact rookie, Sam Bennett. Sam Bennett for the Flames. I think everyone hates the thermal threats. So here it is. Here's one. A Nikita Kucherov. Thermal threat for Tampa Bay. Those cards are ugly. I understand what they tried, but alright, so we have a valuable assets, Max Domi for Arizona. Max Domi. Next, Blueprint, Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Yes, there's a lot of background noise. There's a lot of people in the store. We have a draft boards of Steve Yzerman, Red Wings. Beautiful card. Of a Magic tournament tonight. Blueprint, Islanders, John Tavares. Blueprint for the Flyers, Braden Shen. We have a goal, Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Nice. We have a base pack for all bases. We have a Rising Force number 299, Dallas Stars, John Klingberg. It would have been nice to have this 99 Rising Force, but of McDavid. Valuable assets, Aaron Ekblad for Florida. Nice. Calder competitors, Connor McDavid, Edmonton. There's the first McDavid. Hopefully we'll get more. Or Mr. Eichel would also be nice. Oh, here we go. Freshman, Connor McDavid. So back-to-back McDavids. So when you get a lot of McDavids like that, it's a good box. Rising Force rookie out of 999, Emile Poirier. Flames. Yep, back-to-back. Blueprint, Oilers, Doug Weight. So a lot of Oilers in this box. The Gretzky's, Doug Weight, McDavid. We have a Full Force Ice Encounters, Jordan Tutu. Jordan Tutu for the Devils. 2 packs left. Yeah, 2 packs left. Blueprint, Devin Dubnik for the Wild. And last pack of box number 1, dernier paquet de la boîte numéro 1. Blueprint, Andrew Shaw for the Hawks. Alright, let's do box number 2. Boîte numéro 2. Put those aside for now. Let's create a mess. Alright, 18 more packs. So, here we go. Let's pull the other rookies now. Eichel, Larkin, Domi, Panarin. Alright, start with a Brent Burns goal for the Sharks. Thermal Threats, PK Subban. Horrible. Every time. And we have a goal of Ryan Johansson for Columbus, who is now a Predator. Good deal for both teams, by the way. Blueprint, Jonathan Quick, LA Kings. Another Thermal Threats, Henrik Lundqvist, Rangers. We have a blueprint for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Mario Lemieux. Blueprint, Phil Esposito, Boston Bruins. Immediate impact, Kevin Fiala for the Preds. Nice die cut, number 25, die cut base, gold, Logan Couture. Logan Couture for the Sharks. Nice die cut. Of a goal of Andrej Nestratil for the Hurricanes. I think it's the full force now, the freshman. Oh, nice. Number 249, a Yager Lemieux dual force. So it's the short print version, number 249. Yager and Lemieux. Beautiful card for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Thought it was a rising force, but it's the same thickness. Draft board, rookie Ryan Hartman for Chicago. There you go. Freshman Dylan Larkin, Red Wings. Nice Eichel to finish it off would be nice. Rising Force 999, Washington Capitals, Kuznetsov. We got 4 packs left. Blueprint, Shea Weber for Nashville. Draft boards, Yager with the famous mullet. We have a blueprint of Denis Potvin for the Islanders. And last pack of break 635 is the blueprint rookie Emile Poirier for the Flames. So here you go, guys. Break number 635. I will be back in about 5-6 minutes with break number 636. Double box, Hobby, Series 1. So see you guys in a bit, guys. Thanks again for watching.